Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to make nutritious, tasty and healthy rainbow puris. So bright and colorful, kids will enjoy eating these puris. Come, let's begin. Take a large and wide bowl. I'm adding 2 cups of an atta, wheat flour. Add 1/4 cup of an suji rava or semolina. Add a pinch of salt. Now mix all the dry ingredients. Now divide the flour into 3 equal parts. For the first portion, add half tablespoon of turmeric. For the other 2 portions, add spinach leaves or palak leaves to the grinding jar. Add some water and grind it. And add the chopped beetroot and grind them into a fine paste. Now add the beetroot paste to the 1 portion and palak paste to the other portion. By adding some amount of water, gradually mix them and knead the dough until nice and soft. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. Take a small portion from all the 3. Knead them well and make it into small balls. Sprinkle some flour on the top, gently press it and start rolling it. Make sure it is medium, neither too thick nor thin. Roll out the remaining dough in the same manner. Now arrange the rolled dough sheets by layering them one on the top of the other. Now roll them in this manner. Cut the sides. Now cut the dough into 4 to 5 equal parts. Take 1 portion, sprinkle some flour on it and roll it. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. Add oil and heat up the pan. Now gently slide the rolled puris into the oil. As it slowly puffs up, gently flip onto the other side. Cook both the sides. And remove it from the oil and serve nice and hot. We'll also cook the remaining puris in the same way. Now our very nutritious, colorful, tasty rainbow puris are ready. For more such recipes, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.